Yeah, right, what's up, and welcome back to the channel. So on to DIY's back at you. So today's video is one of my subscribers asked if is it worth it to build a outdoor patio chair or just buy it or purchase somewhere else. Or as for me, if you have the tools, I would say it is really worth it. Because for this patio chair that I'm gonna build, it's like worth almost $3,000 on a store that I saw it. And for this build, I maybe spend like for the lumber, I maybe spend like over $100 for the two chairs. So that would worth a lot. Well, for this build is so easy. Like there's no rocket science for this. That every DIYers could achieve it. So for me, I would say it is really worth it. I would save a lot. So that's why I would always inspire every DIYers out there that if you want to start a project, you could always, start investing in your tools. This in the future, you could build a lot, whatever you want, if you have your tools. So, just enjoy the video and stick to my channel.